Happie at Home. If you're new here, I'm Angie Happie Lou, and today I'm going to share a super quick but seriously challenging Pilates foam roller workout where you keep your roller in one place while targeting multiple problem areas on your body. You'll be strengthening your upper and lower abs, obliques, all while working to combat that stubborn bra bulge and giving your booty a much needed lift. You can do this workout daily and just do this 5-minute routine, or to really challenge yourself, replay this video and do it with me 2, 3, 4, or even 5 times. I dare you, just kidding. Work your way up to repeating this round if you want to speed up results, so let's get to it. All right, grab your foam roller. This is my favorite foam roller from Balanced Body, and I've linked it in the description below. You're gonna go into a side plank. Your right arm's gonna be down, making a fist, and your left hand's gonna be on the mat. Stack your hips together. Make sure you stack your shoulders too. And you're gonna notice right there, the roller wasn't in the right place. It was too close to my ankle, so I've brought it a little bit higher so I have room to roll and pike up. So this is like a side plank pike. Make sure your shoulders are even, your hips are stacked. Good, now lift your hips up and squeezing your inner thighs. I need you to lift your hips up. Good, exhaling. My gaze is at my left hand. Good, make sure you're sucking in that stomach, squeezing the tush, squeezing the inner thighs, and keeping the hips stacked. You're squeezing and lifting. You're squeezing and lifting, toes are pointed, energy out through the toes. You're gonna roll up and down, pike up, and then hold it at the top, do little crunches. Lift it, suck it in, exhaling, lifting, squeezing, inner thighs, tush, stomach in, lift, rest. Nice work. Keeping the roller in the same place. This time you're going to go into a forward plank. You're going to be on your fists facing the mat. Good. Again, get the roller right about underneath your knees on your shins, squeezing your heels together. This time you're going to pike your hips up towards the ceiling. Good. My gaze is at my belly button. If you can get it there. Toes are pointed. Good. Lifting, exhaling, piking up, belly button in, shoulders down, suck it in, squeeze that tush. Good. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Come on, get those hips up as high as you can get them and lift and rest. Good. Now we're switching to the other side. You're going to see the back side of my body doing the side plank. Again, the roller is still in the same place. Stack your legs, stack your hips. Right hand is on the mat, left hand is in a fist. Good, I'm looking at my right hand. I'm squeezing my tush and inner thighs and piking up, lifting those hips up to the ceiling, keeping the legs nice and even, toes pointed. Exhale, lift and side pike. Lift and side pike, get those shoulders out of the ears, suck it in. Good, lift it, hold it at the top, little crunches. Come on, lift, suck it in, lift, exhale, 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 exhale. Good, and rest. Keeping the roller again in the same place. Now we're gonna work our hamstrings. You're gonna lie on your back flat, lengthen the arms down towards the feet, sucking in the stomach, close the rib cage, and get your back flat on the mat. Good, the arches of the feet are on the roller. This right there, that position burns like crazy. So come on, hold that position and try to roll the roller towards your tushy. Oh my God, crazy cramp. Good, roll the roller towards your tushy with your stomach in and inner thighs glued. Every time the roller comes in, lift your hips up. Lift your hips up and hold it there, right leg to the sky. Do the same thing with one leg. As you roll the roller towards your tush, lift your tushy up, up. Squeeze that left cheek, come on, left cheek. Hold it there. Now holding that position, poke the ceiling with your right foot, toes pointed on both feet, lifting, sucking in, squeezing. Hold it there. Now flex the foot and lower it down. Every time you're lowering your leg down, I need you to lift your hips up in opposition, holding the roller still. Point it up, flex it down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Point it up, flex it down, point it up, lift those hips, and switch legs. Holding that left leg still now, toes pointed. All you're doing is rolling the roller towards your tush and squeezing your right cheek. Come on, right cheek. Stomach in, rib cage closed, shoulders long, arms long. Good. Hold it there now. Poke the ceiling. Don't move the roller. Come on, squeeze it. Hold the roller still. Poke the ceiling. Poke, poke, poke. Stomach in. Squeeze that right cheek. Get ready. Flex it down. Point it up. Flex it down. Point it up. Every time you're flexing, you're lifting your hips up in opposition lift. Flex and lift. Hold the roller still. Good. Point it up. Flex it down. Come on, point it up. Flex it down. Point it up. Squeeze that right cheek and rest. Roll the tailbone down and bring your knees into your chest. Give your lower back a nice little stretch. Oh, you did such a great job. But those hammies really need a stretch. You can do a flat back stretch first. Grab your toes, flex them back towards your head, and lift your chin up, sucking in the stomach. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. And now round the back, point the toes forward. Good. Give the tops of your feet a little stretch by pushing down and roll up.